Hi guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miliana Kenya. Welcome back. Guys, as you can see, it's already evening. It's 6:30. Yeah, so sorry guys, not 6:30, it's 5:30, and I'm here just to prepare dinner. And guys, guess what? Today we are having new what? New what? New video. Guys, you're having new video. Welcome back. By the way, guys, I'm welcoming you back. And if you're new here, please, if you are coming to my channel right now, please go and subscribe. When you subscribe, remember the notification bell. And guys, when you watch my videos, please don't forget to leave leave a like and go to the comment section. Please comment. I'm going to be so grateful. And guys, please, if you're the returning subscriber, oh my goodness, thank you so much. May God bless you. May God reward you. Enjoy watching and watch until the end. Guys, come. Today we are having new cook, new food, new cook, new food, new dinner. Okay, yeah. So, guys, as you can see, I just want to start cooking, and here we are having this. This is carrots, and this is Irish potatoes. I have already peeled them, and also I have already peeled the carrots. Yeah, and I'm going to start cooking this. I have to slice these carrots into small pieces, and then I mix them with the Irish potatoes. And after that, guys, I'm going to start cooking. And guess what is our dinner? It's Irish potato, the mixture of Irish potato and Githeri. For those who are not in Kenya, for those who don't know what Githeri is our there is a mixture of maize and beans. Yeah, and I'm going to mix Githeri together with the Irish potato and carrots. And guys, I'm going to fry cabbage. I have cabbage here. This is cabbage. This is cabbage, guys. Guys, I'm struggling to go there. I come back here to show you these things because I have no one to hold the camera. And guys, when I say that I want to take the camera from there to go and show you things up there, guys, I will start struggling again how to set it where it is. So this is my cabbage. This is our dinner here, and I'm going to prepare this together with this one. I'm preparing separately. I'm not going to mix. This one is I'm going to prepare separately, and I'm going to mix Githeri and Irish potato and carrots and dania and kitunguu, onions and potatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes. Okay, mama. Guys, I have a new guest here. I don't know if my guest can say hi to you. It's a guest that you know, okay? It's I call her guest because she wanted to start this video, and then I stopped her, and then she looked like she's mad. She's too mad for me. And so, mama, come and say hi. And say loudly. Hi. Just say hi and greet them.
Hi.
Say hi, guys. Welcome to Miliana's channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to Miliana's channel.
Yes, guys, welcome back to Miliana's channel. And this is Karina, okay? Yeah, I hope all of you knows who is Karina. Karina is my beautiful girl here, and we are here with her. We just want to prepare our dinner. Mama, are you going to help me prepare dinner?
Yes.
What are you going to cook? Tell them, what are you going to cook? You, not me. You are the one going to cook. Are you the one going to cook?
Not really.
You are not telling me.
Not really.
But you have to cook, right?
I'll help.
Yes, guys, she has to cook, but she don't know how to cook. But I hope one day she will cook. Yeah. So, Mama, you can sit down now. So, guys, please, what I want you to do for me right now and right today and right here is, please Give me those subscriptions. Please go and subscribe, okay? Subscribe to Miliana's channel, Miliana Kenya, and those who don't know me, please, when you meet them, tell them to search for Miliana Kenya, and this is me, and please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and guys, please, don't forget that notification bell, okay? I love you guys, and that's why I'm here. Please, 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 let's go to 1,000 subscribers. Still far, but I know, one day I'm going to hit that 1,000 subscribers. And guys, you know what? Let me start cooking. As I don't want to talk much, because talking much, I'm like wasting time. So let me talk as I cook. Because you know, guys, you have to see how I'm cooking this. And let us do. And guys, I have already washed everything. I have already washed the tomato.
Tomatoes.
I have already washed these tomatoes. This is 4 tomatoes, and I washed this onion. I'm going to use 1 onion. And I have dania here. We have dania here, these greens. Mama, choka mbele. Don't sit down. Don't sit down. Choka ndio waone. Guys, we have dania here, potatoes, tomatoes, and potatoes here, guys. And then let me tell you, 2 types of, you know what, guys? This tomato and potato, they really confuse me, because when I'm saying like tomato, I'm like potato, and when I just want to say tomato, I will say tomato. You know, so it's confusing me. Okay, so I don't know if I'm talking too much, but let me, please consider watching, and watch until the end. Watch, 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 watch. Watch, guys. And Mama, you are standing in front of guys. So what's wrong with you? Come and sit here. Yeah, so guys, let me wash my hands. I feel like my hands are too hard. I know. I know. I know. Yeah. Oh, guys, we have a lot of mangoes here. We have mangoes here, and it's too many. And guys, all of them, they are already they are ready to eat. So, hey guys, if you can reach here, guys, you can come. Welcome, and come and help us to eat those mangoes. There are too many, and we can't even finish them. Oh my God, you are, oh my God, I will praise you, Lord. Oh my God, you are, oh my God, I praise you, Hey, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, being a woman is not a joke, you know. Men, if you're out there and you are men, if you are going to watch this video of mine, please, don't think cooking is a joke. Cooking is hey, it's not a joke, please. It isn't not a joke. This is not a joke, right, Mama? Tell them it isn't not a joke.
It's not a joke.
It's not a joke. Cooking is not a joke, right? Cooking is a process, so it's a process, yeah. I'm using this. This is Lina, and yeah, I'm going to use this. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Your love is high. Karina, why are you looking at me like that? Am I funny? Lakini Karina. Oh, fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You are amazing. Wait, wait, wait. Ah, tena kabisa.